YouTubers. So I got May's monthly pin trading box. It just came today, and it's an awesome thing that came today. And I wanted to show you before we got started. There's different subscription options, and the first one is a starter, which comes with 5 pins. The second one is the deluxe, and that comes with 10 pins. And the one I got was the signature for $34.99, and I have a code that I'm going to give you, and you can get it down to $29.99. And it's a really cool box. I'm really glad I got it. I actually opened it up before I started filming. And the premiere, and actually I'm not sure what the premiere entails, so I'm going to click on it, and it tells me you get 3 hand-selected Disney pins, 1 limited edition LE 500 or less, 2 limited edition pins LE 5000 or less. That's cool. Alright, so let's open this up. And this is what it came with. Thank you for your order. We hope you enjoy your pins, which we do. So the first 3 pins that we got was discussed. And I have this pin already, but this is a really cool pin. I traded for this at the parks. And then this pin is Kevin from Up. And he's a newer Tsum Tsum. I believe he's either this year or last year's Tsum Tsum, so it's pretty cool. Actually, I can open it up. It should tell me. It says 2017. So that's cool. So the second layer has 2 pins, and these are rack pins. These are opened up in those little pouches that have like 5 pins, and then this is a hidden Mickey pin that you can only get from a cast member. And these are really cool. This one is the Soarin'. Let's see what year it is. And it says 2003, I think. Kenzie. Alright, I can. And then this is a Polynesian resort pin.
Those are pretty pins.
Yes, thank you.
Because I like carrying.
Let's see what year this one is. My eyesight's really bad. It looks like 2003.
That one's pretty.
Is it?
Kevin is.
Kevin, I know you like Kevin.
Yeah.
Okay, and the last one is a limited edition pin.
Yeah.
And this is a Muppet 3D Vision. And I'm not sure what's inside that little glass. And let's see what's the limited edition of. These pin backs are really hard to get off. Limited edition of 1,000. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's probably $500.
Yeah. So like I said, the promo code to get $5 off is welcome. Yeah. Says follow them on social media.
There's different pins.
This is definitely worth the $34.99 for this box. I mean, these 2 rack pins alone, because they're older pins that you can't just get anywhere, I thought are worth that. So I would definitely check it out. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.